Hello. One of the reasons why we are tired, we're feeling tired or fatigued, and one of the reasons why we're having a hard time keeping our attention sharp throughout the day is that we have the tendency, for most of us, to slide from one thing to another all day long. We wake up, then we have breakfast, then we etc. We slide from one thing to another without clear rupture in between action, without clear rupture in between each interaction. So we wake up with a body budget, a level of energy, and we're going to deplete that all day long. So at the end of the day, we cannot pay really attention, or sometimes in the middle of the day, we cannot pay attention to what's happening and we feel tired. The key for that not to happen is that we have to take clear breaks in between each thing we're doing, creating rupture, so to speak. When I say taking a break, I don't mean 5 minutes, 10 minutes, no. I mean a clear break. Stop, readjust for what we're about to do. This simple fact to take quick ruptures, quick break in between action create a reset in us. A reset in our level of energy, in a reset in our faculty to be present, to be attentive. So in order to have more attention in our life, in order to have more energy in our actions, it is important to take quick breaks, to make conscious rupture in between what we do during the day. You'll see, before I go into a session with a client, often I will cough or I will move my body. Like it's me telling my body, telling all the part of me, okay, now we're going. Now we're gonna be invested in what is about to happen. So little things like that. It can be just going out for a second and then coming back and be fully involved again in what we're doing. Doing 2 push-ups, going to the kitchen and have a glass of water and being present while you do that. But it is most important to create rupture in between each action so we can reset and be fully attentive and recharged instead of sliding from one thing to another. Try it. Let me know what you think.